a lonely night where the silence gets that loud it hurts. I'll be thinking of you, and tears like acid rain begin to burn again. And in the light of day, where tormented minds cry out in vain, I'll be thinking of you, and the light of day turns into night again, again. Will you meet me halfway at that little cafe where we used to sit and talk, and maybe talk a little more? We could find we feel the same way after all. Again. No more sleepless nights, watching shadows dance upon the wall. No more crying in vain, if we find we're still in love the same. Again, again, again.